Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you 3 different ways to make paper boats. So first I'm just going to fold this paper in half. I'm going to unfold it and you can see the crease here. Now I'm just going to fold it in half again this way. Now I'm just going to turn the paper and I'm going to take this corner and fold it inwards to the crease. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So now for this bottom part here, I'm just going to lift up the top layer of the paper and fold it up. And then I'm going to do that to the other side. So now we're going to open this up, just like this, and we're going to bend it like that. So it will look like this now. And just make sure that these are tucked under each other, like that. Now I'm going to take this corner and fold it up to the top. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So now I'm going to open it up again. And it will look like this. And then all you have to do is take these sides, pull them out. And there you have your paper boat. So right now we want a square, and this is a regular size piece of paper. So first thing I'm going to do is fold this paper in half. Now I'm just going to take the corner here and I'm going to fold it down until it lines up with the crease. And then if you like, you can take a pencil and mark where you're going to cut. And then you can just cut your line and you have your perfect square. So now the first step is done for us. If you already had origami paper, then you need to, with your square, fold this over and make a crease and then unfold it. But if you just did it how I did it, then you already did the first step. So next step is taking this corner and we're going to fold it up to this corner. I'm going to unfold that. And now I'm going to fold the paper in half this way. And again, I'm going to unfold and I'm going to fold the paper in half this way. Just make sure that your creases are nice and tight. Now I'm going to take this corner and I'm going to fold it up towards the middle. I'm going to take this corner and fold it towards the middle. And now you can bend this inward and bend this inward, and they're going to go on top of each other like that. And you're just going to fold down and have a little square. So now take this corner and fold it down. Now you're going to take the part that you just folded down and the part that's under it, and you're going to pull that up here. And then pick it up, and we fold this in. Now we're going to fold this flap down. And we're going to fold it back up, but we're going to fold it about right here, so we leave a little bit of space. So I'm going to turn this around, and I'm going to take the corner here and fold it up to the top crease. And now your sailboat can stand. And this is what it looks like. So again, we need a square piece of paper, and if you have origami paper, you can skip this step. I'm just going to use some of the paper that I was using before, but if you have a full piece of paper, fold it in half, and then I'm going to take the corner, fold it down, and I'm just going to cut along this line to get a square. So again, if you're starting off with origami paper, then from this corner to this corner, we're going to create a diagonal fold. And I'm just going to turn my paper like this. From here, we're going to fold up this part. Now we're going to unfold this, flip it around, and we're going to fold on the other side. So now we're just going to unfold and open it up. You'll see we have these creases. We're gonna make sure this part is flat. So we're gonna have something like this. We're gonna go like that. And this is how it will stand. When you look at it from the side, it definitely looks more like a boat. This is probably one of the more simple options that you could do if you're having trouble with the other ones. So yeah, this is the last one. So these are the boats at a better angle for you guys. You can see how they stand up. And of course, you can color them and decorate them however you would like. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and had fun making paper boats. Don't forget to take some pictures and send it in. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!